It has been a busy day at the Capitol for legislators on both sides.
That's right. At stake, health care for the uninsured, no discrimination against pre-existing health conditions, and nearly $1 trillion in spending over the first 10 years. With the vote just about to get underway in Washington, we begin our balanced coverage with a look at how developments today got us to tonight's vote.
The clash in Congress over health care has both sides heading for a historic vote after a year of heated talk and debate.
This bill is a fiscal Frankenstein.
Today we will have health care. Today we are forming a more perfect union.
The House, in a rare Sunday session, set the stage most of the day to vote first on the Senate-passed health care reform bill. So if approved, it can be sent on to the president for his signature to become law.
We're doing this one for the American people, for their health, for their opportunity.
The second vote will be a House fix-it bill, making changes that will have to be then approved by the Senate later this week.
This bill will save lives, it will save jobs by putting patients first and guarantee that Medicare will be there when we need it.
If Democrats were close on the necessary votes early in the day, House Democratic leaders got a few more votes in the afternoon by resolving a dispute over federally funded abortions. The president agreed to sign an executive order banning abortion funding.
We wanted to see health care reform, but there was a principle that meant more to us than anything, and that was the sanctity of life.
Republicans are not so satisfied.
So this is all smoke and mirrors right now about any fixes that would come in place. And what the American people know is that they don't like the Senate bill, and they've said that loudly and clearly.
Protesters throughout the weekend could be seen and heard around the Capitol. Even some Republicans were voicing their opposition with signs, in addition to raising concerns about costs. The biggest cost for some Democrats, they say, could be their jobs.
The ballot box will be the last voice in this big campaign for health care, because the voters have made it very clear in poll after poll they do not want what's presently being proposed.
President Obama spent the day working with legislators to ensure victory on the bill, confident tonight the measure will pass.
President Obama is so confident in the vote tonight, he is planning to make a statement to the nation after the House takes its final vote on health care legislation. If that happens during this newscast, we'll bring it to you live.